Thinking about starting your own hosting business or managing multiple client websites? NameHero's Reseller Hosting makes that super accessible, even if you're not a server expert. Here's how it works. With reseller hosting, you buy a bulk hosting plan from NameHero and then divide it into individual accounts for your clients or your own projects. Each one gets its own cPanel resources and login, just like a normal hosting account. You control it all from WHM, the Web Host Manager dashboard. What sets NameHero apart is that they include LiteSpeed servers, NVMe storage, and free WHMCS starting from their silver reseller plan. WHMCS is important. It's the billing software that automates invoicing, account creation, and support tickets, which makes running a hosting business way easier. They also provide free SSLs, daily backups, and white label branding, so your clients won't even know you're using NameHero on the backend. And since they use cloud infrastructure, uptime and speed are solid across the board. You don't need to be super technical either. NameHero support team is known for being fast and helpful, especially for reseller clients. If you're a freelancer, web designer, or just want to launch your own hosting brand, NameHero's reseller plan gives you a professional setup without huge upfront costs. If this helped you understand the basics, give the video a like, subscribe for more hosting breakdowns, and drop your questions in the comments. I'm happy to help.